Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter ice cream. Whisk peanut butter with sugar and a pinch of salt until smooth, then slowly stir in milk and heavy cream to combine. Chill the base thoroughly before churning to improve texture and flavor. If you want a richer result, use a high-quality peanut butter and taste before adding extra sugar or salt to reach your perfect balance. Combine sugar and peanut butter in a bowl, then whisk in warm milk until fully dissolved and smooth. Avoid overheating. Add heavy cream, cover, and chill the mixture for at least 2 hours or overnight for better flavor integration. Churn according to your ice cream maker's instructions, folding in chopped peanuts or chocolate chips near the end. Freeze for several hours to firm up before scooping for best consistency. Spoon your peanut butter ice cream into a container and press a piece of parchment directly on the surface to reduce ice crystals. Freeze until firm for at least 4 hours, then let it soften briefly before scooping so you get clean, creamy servings. Label the container with the date and aim to enjoy it within 2 weeks for the best texture. When serving, add a drizzle of chocolate or a sprinkle of chopped peanuts for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.